Hello, and we're gonna do some pig and a pig farm in Pigtown. Yeah, this is a new series. You guys haven't seen anything, so let's go. So where should I do the pig farm? I've been thinking like here. Yeah, like really here. Nah, why did I do that? There we go. And then that's my plan today. And one of you guys that click the like, if you wanna be named as a chicken, just click a like and I will choose a random person. So click a like if you wanna be a chicken, named as a chicken in the next episode. I mean, not be a chicken. There we go. And our first, no, it's a pig. I know a chicken. Yeah, a chicken. So if you wanna be named as one of these chickens, leave a like. Otherwise,